Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk to you guys about a stock that I actually missed. Now, if you're new to this channel, we like to talk about investing, love to talk about money, like to talk about how you can succeed literally from wherever you are, whether you have money or you don't have money. So anybody that's been investing for a long period of time like I have, like I've been investing for about 14 years now. Wow, it's a long time. And so you probably have some stocks that you did not quite catch that have done very well. Now, if you've been on this channel for any time, or if you know me for any period of time, then you know I've talked about like stocks that I've missed. Like for example, I missed Netflix when it was a couple bucks a share. Nobody knew Netflix was going to do good. It was one of those companies that what they did was they actually did videos through mail. Like, horrible idea. I missed Amazon. Well, somewhat missed Amazon. I got into Amazon back when it was like around about $500-600, but I remember when Amazon was like $50 a share. Yes, $50 a share. It was just like eBay, except they did books. Nobody knew. I missed Priceline, and basically there's other companies that yes, I missed. But one of the companies that I missed recently, like in the last 3-4 years or so, it's funny because I actually have the product in my house, and that's Roku. Now, we actually have a Roku box in our house because our kids like it. Now, if you don't know what the Roku is, mostly Roku is like when you go in the store and you're tired of cable and you buy this box where you can buy a Roku box or a Roku a stick. It's like a Fire Stick. I almost said Roku Fire Stick, but it's, you get the Roku stick, USB, or the HDMI, and it goes into your TV. Now with that, it now gives you access to be able to put other streaming platforms on it. Like you can customize. You can put Netflix on it, Hulu, Disney Plus, Amazon, anything, YouTube. You can put these different apps on it, as well as it also has its own ecosystem within it where you can actually, buy movies. They have their own Roku channel thing, which actually gives you a lot of free stuff. And then they have their own streaming thing. But mostly it's just like a box if you don't want cable, right? So I have the thing in my house. Now I have a good reason why I missed the stock. Now I missed the stock because I was actually toiling between, putting money in that and something else. Now granted, the other company that I invested in is doing just as well. It's kind of the same price. But at the time I was looking at the Roku, they had just came through their IPO and they were sitting around $18-20 a share. They're now like $230 a share, over $200 a share. So now, of course, you're gonna lose some if you're investing. You don't win them all. But at the time, I was actually looking into between Roku and PayPal, and I actually started investing in PayPal. And back then, at the time, PayPal was just as cheap, and PayPal actually did pretty good. PayPal's doing pretty good now. It's over $200 a share as well. So it's not all a loss, but it's just shocking. Like when you look at something like, oh man, I could have put money into that. And so with the Roku, it's seemingly been doing very good. I didn't think that they would have a competitive edge towards a lot of these platforms because at the time it was really just mostly people buying their box, right? Or their system. It wasn't any type of contractual agreement really happening at that time like there is now, where you can pay monthly and different things like that for other features that they may have. But at the time it was just more so like buying something. So it's one of those companies that I missed, but it's actually doing very well. And like I said, like if you're looking to get away from cable, the Roku is one of those companies that become a viable option, as well as you're able to customize your own screen and put things on it, your own apps and things like that, etc. So it was kind of cool to look at it this morning and see where it was. No, I still haven't invested in it. It's one of those that I feel like I missed, and they may do well. Now I'm doing well in most of my investments, so it's not like I feel totally lost by not catching that one. But it's just pretty cool to see, like, man, like I actually was considering just putting some money in that as an investment. And just at the time when I do a lot of studying sometimes for investments, and if I'm looking for another investment to add, something that might be more long term, I normally don't make a bunch of investments at one time. I'll just make like one investment if I'm looking to add something new. So I'll look to find something new that's just maybe one investment. Now, of course, what's happening right now, like I've said in other videos, and you've probably heard other people say, everybody's looking for that stock that's just going to blow. And so, yeah, that's what happens. So you do have a lot of good other companies that are starting to form out there and things like that. You just have to do your research around them. But it's pretty cool because, yeah, I missed the Roku. And, yeah, I missed that one. So I have to add that to my list of stocks that I was considering investing in, but I missed it. But needs to say, the Roku seems to be doing very well, so congrats to them. Hey, but check this out, guys. If you're looking to invest, feel free to check out the description below. I have several companies there that you may be interested in, from M1 Finance to Webull, who is giving 2 free stocks, and so on. So check those things out if you're looking to invest and you're looking for a good platform. Anyways, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Y'all be safe. Take care.